going to make what we call tempura crunch. This is a very light tempura batter that we're going to fry. We're going to use this as a garnish for sushi rolls. For this, we're going to take a 1/8 measuring cup. I'm going to take 2 scoops of tempura flour, add them to a small bowl, and then we're going to take 7.5 scoops of water. So the ratio of our crunch is 2 ounces of flour, tempura flour, to 7.5 ounces of water, cold water. After we've combined both the ingredients in a small bowl, we're going to take a small whisk and we're going to give it a good mixing. We want all of the flour in here to be completely combined with our water. After we have done this, we can go ahead and start frying this in the deep fryer. So now we're going to go ahead and start frying our crunch. Make sure that before you start pouring anything into the fryer, give it a good mix as it can easily separate. So we're going to give it a good mix to make sure everything's nice and combined. What we're going to do is we're going to pour about 1/3 of this mixture into our fryer. The key is when you start pouring it, move your hand away because the steam is going to be very, very hot. Now we can start to see it's getting close to being done. The crowd applauding is starting to stop. Once the crowd stops clapping, it's ready to go. Then we'll pull it out. Make sure to give it a couple good taps to drain any oil. Now a lot of the bubbles are starting to disappear. You can hear that the crowd clapping is starting to slow down. Now it's just about done. Time to go ahead and pull it out. You can hear that the crowd is starting to stop clapping. So we're going to gather all of it back up. A small paper towel in the bottom of a metal bowl with another big sheet flat across, and then go ahead and push it in to make a nice cup. Now we all have it all in this bowl, and we use the paper towels for any excess oil that's going to be left over. It's going to be soaked up by the paper towel, so all we have is very nice, light, crispy tempura batter for garnish for our rolls.